Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically comment in bulk on Facebook ads posts using the MKT Care software. With this software, you can manage an unlimited number of Facebook accounts. If you want to comment on Facebook ads posts, first open the software, then click on the comment feature. Next, choose the comment section. After that, you'll need to get the ID of the ad post you want to comment on. To do this, copy the link of the post, go to Google, search for Get UID, paste the post link there, and click Convert. It will automatically convert the Facebook ad link into a UID, then copy this UID and paste it into the software. The software will automatically go to that post and comment using the script content that you have prepared and added earlier. Once you've entered the UID, set up the configuration, choose the time settings, select the accounts you want to use, and then press Start. The software will automatically comment for you, saving you time and effort. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one. Goodbye and see you next time.